Hello, good morning, children. I am Mrs. Smita, teacher from St. Paul's High School. I will be teaching you maths. Today, we shall learn about ordering of numbers, that is, ascending order and descending order. Tommy the dog saw the bones on the top of the staircase. It climbed up in hurry to get them. The numbers of stairs were written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now tell me which is the smallest number here? It is 1. And which is the greatest? 10. Means biggest number here. 2 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 4. 6 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 6. 8 is greater than 7. 9 is greater than 8. And 10 is greater than 9. So 10 is the greatest number here. So when Tommy went up, he started from the smallest number 1. Then he climbed up to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Finally he climbed the greatest number staircase, that is 10, and reached the bones. So we see Tommy went up from the smallest number to the greatest number. This order of numbering, when we go up from the smallest number to the greatest number, is called ascending order. Now let us see a group of children. Here, see all the children are of different heights. Who is the tallest amongst all? This is the tallest boy. He is wearing grey t-shirt and pant. And who is the shortest of all? It is this boy in the white t-shirt. Now, if they want to watch the TV, standing in the line, one behind the other, how should they stand so that all can watch properly? See, here the children are standing in order of increasing heights. The child with the shortest height is standing in the front. The height is increasing and the boy with the greatest height is standing last. Now all can watch TV properly. So we can say the children are standing in the increasing order of height. We can also say the children are standing in the ascending order of the height. Now let us see the Tommy coming down from the getting the bones. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So he came down from the greatest number 10 to the smallest number 1. When we go down from the greatest number to the smallest number, it is called descending order. Yes, it is descending order. Now coming back to the children. If a naughty boy came by, how could the young children hide from his standing one behind the other? If they stood in increasing order of height, like when they were watching TV, they would all be visible. so they cannot stand ascending order of height. So in what order should they stand? The shorter height stood behind the tallest boy, so they are not seen by the naughty boy. So the children stood in the order of decreasing height, tallest to the shortest. We can say they stood in the descending order of height. Right, children? Let us take another example. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 number stones to jump. Then which order of number is following? Is it ascending or descending? Yes, it is ascending order, as it is going from the smallest number to the greatest number, that is 10. And what about the frog? Frog is hopping on the stones 37, 35, 33, 31, 29 and 27. Well, it is descending order, as it is going from the greatest number 37 to the smallest number, which is 27 here. Let us see another example. The frog is hopping on stones 30, 31, 32, 33, 29 and then 35. Which order is it following? Well, it may look like it is ascending order, as it is going from the smallest number 30 to the greatest number, which is 35 here. But we also need to see the order of in between numbers. See, 29 is less than 33. We have placed this after 33. So this position is not correct. What can be done to make in descending order? 29 should be placed before 30. Then only all the numbers will be in ascending order. See 33 and 35. From start to end, all the numbers are in ascending order. Understood? So now you know ascending order is going from the smallest number to the greatest number, and descending order is going from the greatest number to the smallest number. Children, arrange the following examples in ascending and descending order in your notebook. 45, 50, 36, 42. B. 35, 15, 18 and 20. C. 23, 17, 22, 19. Bye. Thank you. God bless you.